So grab a drink because this is a story. Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today, first of all, let me just address that I sound sick, and I'm sorry I was sick. I didn't have coronavirus, don't worry. I got tested twice and I was negative both times, but I just got like the regular common cold. So like my nose is stuffy and you know, the usual. Anyways, with that out of the way, I am doing another SHEIN haul today. I placed another order shortly after my last SHEIN haul, and I placed another order even after this one because the good thing is they're really good with returns. So spoiler alert, a lot of this stuff was not good. I just want to share with you guys so that it can help you guys with your orders in the future and what to look out for when you are ordering. Why was this order such a fail? Let's find out. Okay, I'm going to show you guys everything that I'm not keeping first. So the first item, and I have to show you guys a comparison of how it looked on the model on the website. I'll post a picture of the model and then like a little clip of me wearing it. It is nothing alike. It looked so beautiful on the model. Basically, it's this tan romper. And it's a beautiful tan color. It's short, it cinches at the waist, which you would think would be super flattering, and it's got these two cute big buttons right here at the front. So it had a lot of potential, let me tell you. And I'm going on vacation, so I thought this with some sandals would be such a cute casual vibey outfit. But no, this was not cute at all. I think the main problem was the sizing because it was so loose, and maybe that's the style and maybe that looks good on some people when it's like super baggy, but it did not look good on me. And I tried to make it look cute. I have this really cute, I don't even know where it is, but I'll show you guys in the try on. I have this super cute like belt bag, and it's like this, I don't know if it's like snakeskin print or what, but it's so cute, and I thought it would look really great with this. It was not working for me. It was not cute. So this is definitely going back. So the next thing I'm not keeping, this actually came defective to me, like it was not sewn properly, and I will show you guys why. It is a two-piece set and it's so cute. I'll actually insert what the model looked like too, because this was so cute. It's a off-the-shoulder, like cinched up crop top, and it's got this super cute like peephole right here. It comes with matching shorts, and the shorts are just basic flowy shorts. Like I didn't think you could mess it up, you know what I mean? But I'll show you guys in the try on and right here. But like you could see, it was not sewn properly. So I definitely got a defective one. And right here you could really tell because it's not a straight line. And the top as well. So the whole, like this all cinches, if you could see that. Like it goes all around. But they missed a part right here. And like I tried to make it cinch, but like it won't cinch. So it definitely came defective. I would say maybe if you really like this, you could give it a try. It's this beautiful like greenish tan color, and I really liked the idea of it. It is very sheer. So there's that. And it just, the shorts were not flattering. They're just like big and loose, and I think I would want something a little bit more flattering. So yeah, this is a no. So the next thing I'm not keeping are these shorts. And I will say, like, out of all the ones that I didn't like, these were probably the best. So I could definitely see this working for a lot of people. It's cute. It's like these beachy type shorts. They're like frilled at the bottom. They're really pretty, like off-white color. They've got pockets in the front, which who doesn't love that? And they've actually got pockets in the back. So I really would have liked this, but the thing with SHEIN, and I've noticed this with a lot of their items, is a lot of the high-waisted stuff comes super high-waisted. A lot of the SHEIN stuff come like way above the belly button. So for me, that feels big, and I want my stuff to be a little bit more fitted. So they were like kind of too high-waisted for me. I did not like that. But if you do like super high-waisted stuff, like you're gonna love this. Another thing I'm not keeping, the list just goes on and on, is this denim high-waisted skirt. And I really wanted like a plain denim high-waisted skirt. I don't even really have one. I do actually have one, but it has like the zipper all the way down, and I want like a regular one. So here's this one. It looks beautiful on camera, but there was two things I did not like about it. One is it feels like paper. It is the worst, and I don't mind a fake denim material, but this feels horrible. It feels like, I don't even know. It's it just should not even be labeled as denim. And then the second thing I didn't like about it is the shape. So you'll see better in the try on, but the back was so unflattering. It just came down like straight and didn't give you any shape at all. It actually made you look like you have no butt whatsoever, even if you do. So I don't recommend this, and I've kind of had this issue a lot with their like denim stuff. So this was a fail, and this is gonna be going back. The good thing about all this stuff going back is I get to order more stuff, and I'm really excited about that. My next Shein video is going to be super exciting and highly requested from you guys. It's going to be an entire Shein bikini haul, and I will be sharing with you guys everything from the fit to the feel to the style to the wear to everything. I'll be sharing with you guys what the Shein bikinis are all about. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell notification so that you're notified when I do upload a new video, because you're not going to want to miss that one. I did get one bikini in this haul, but I did not like it. The bad thing about the bikinis is it's final sale. You can't return it. Everything else I can return, but this is actually cute, so I will be giving it to my sisters. I ordered this, if you saw my last Shein haul, I ordered it in a beautiful brown color and I loved it. I just think this color doesn't really look that good on me, but it's a really cute like pastel pink tie-up bikini, and I ordered it in a different color because I loved the first one so much. And then these super cute like high-waisted bottoms. I don't know, I feel like it did fit a little bit differently than my last one, but the brown one just fit like this almost was like, I put them side by side and they look like they're the same size, so I don't know, but it really felt smaller, and this one feels a little bit too big for me. And also the color on my skin, it just kind of like washes me out. So I think it will look beautiful on my sister because she's got a lot of a lighter complexion, and I think this would look good on like a lighter complexion or a darker complexion. Like me, I'm just kind of in the middle and it didn't work for me. Next thing that's going back is this top, and I actually love the look of it. I hate the feel of it. So it's this super cute like brown crop top. Look how cute, it even looks beautiful on camera. I really liked how it looked on me. I don't really mind that it's kind of sheer, that's fine for me. And I just love how it like cinches here and it's super comfortable, but this feels like paper. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, it feels like a napkin. That's exactly what it feels like. It feels like a napkin. Like you took a napkin and you just tied it around yourself. That's what it feels like. It feels like a napkin. Like, I wish you guys could be here and feel this. I don't know if you could tell from looking at it, but girl, this ain't it. That's everything I'm not keeping, but now I will share with you guys the positives of this haul and the stuff that I will be keeping. All right, so the first thing I will be keeping is a two-piece set that I love. It's this beautiful like chocolate brown like crinkly type material, and it's got just a plain brown crop top. It actually has a zipper in the back, which I love about it. And then it's these pants, and they're just like big flowy pants, which normally would not be my style, but these just look so cute on and so casual. Why can't I hold this right? So there you go. They're just big flowy shorts, as you could see. Shorts. They're big flowy pants, as you could see. I really like these, and I feel like for like just a casual brunch or like shopping day, it would be super cute. So I'll definitely be keeping that. And then the bottoms were super big on me, so I ordered this thing actually on Target today, and it should be coming in a couple days. But it's like a tape, and you put it around the bottom and you can hem it, and then what you do is you iron it, and then it stays that way. So I'm just kind of feeling lazy to go to the tailor. I honestly could, because it's pretty cheap to hem pants, but I'm just feeling lazy, so I ordered it. I've never tried it before, so I'm excited to try it out and see if it really works. So if you guys have tried that, let me know. I'm excited about it. Another thing I'm keeping is another two-piece set, and I love these, but it is a pajama set. I guess it's a pajama set. For me, I'm wearing it as pajamas. I think it is. I don't think you could wear this out really, but it's this cute black and white crop tie-dye top, and then the bottoms, and this is like another example of how high-waisted the Shein stuff is. But it's these shorts, and they are so high-waisted. Like, I almost wish it wasn't so high-waisted, but it's fine. For sleeping time, it doesn't matter. But yeah, they're just basic and cute, and I just needed like cute pajamas. So there's only one more thing I'm keeping, and it is this beautiful fuzzy crop top, and it's more of like a bralette type thing because it's really not like not a top at all, but I wear it as a top. So I actually got some wear out of this the other day. So as you could see, it's like this beautiful fuzzy material. And then the reason I say it's not a crop top is because like, look at the bag. It's just like a strip back there. It's not like a big top. I think of it more of like a bralette top, but I wore this yesterday all day and I really liked it. The only thing is I feel like it did stretch out from me wearing it in one day. Maybe when I wash it, it'll go back down. I don't know, but it got kind of big and loose. So it was kind of falling off my shoulders a little bit, and that was kind of annoying. But I think if you had a bigger chest and filled it out more, it probably wouldn't have such a problem. But I would say maybe size down in this. I don't know, for me it just fit a little bit loose, but again, I don't have anything like up here to really fill it out, so maybe that's why. Hey guys, I actually forgot 2 items, and I may look different now because I went out, ran a bunch of errands, and then came back, but I just forgot 2 bikinis, and I really want to mention them because they're so cute. So these I'm definitely keeping, and the reason I forgot about them is because I actually packed them away already for Florida. So that's how you know I love them. This one, they're both like tie-up string bikini type styles, and this reminds me of like Frankie's bikinis if you ever shop on their website, but they're tie-dye. They tie at the top and then they also tie at the back, and then the bottoms are pretty much the same. They tie at both sides, so they're very adjustable, and I don't know, something about the orange tie-dye is just so cute to me and I loved it. So I'm definitely bringing that with me to the trip. And then pretty much the same exact style, but in blue snake print, which I thought was super hot. This one ties a little bit differently than the other one, but they both tie up at the top, tie up at the back. So yeah, same thing with the bottom. These are a little bit more cheeky than the other ones, but they're both a little bit cheeky, but I would say these are a little bit more, as you could tell. But yeah, they're so cute and I absolutely love them. So if you guys see these on the website, they come in like 7 different colors. I feel like it was so many different options to choose from, so definitely pick one of those up because those fit great. They feel great quality. The only thing I would say about all SHEIN bikinis are the pads on the inside are not high quality, but you can swap them out with some of your own. I know you probably have a good one in your collection, so yeah, I don't mind that at all. And I definitely didn't want to miss out on these in the haul, so let's get back into the video. Yeah, that's the end of my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like this video and comment down below what kind of bikini style you would like me to purchase from SHEIN for that bikini haul. I really want your guys' opinions and to see, like, because if it's just me choosing, I'm gonna choose probably a lot of the same style because I have like one style that I like, but I really want to share with you guys the fit and everything. So if you guys have different styles that you like, please drop them in the comments down below and I'll make sure to get that and try it out for you guys. So thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.